Recording. So audio is recording, getting recorded, and this is also updating.
Okay.
So coming back to our Excel tracker. So what we should learn now. So all this now I'll explain you at the time of postings. So we have completed the baseline configuration. Okay. Now let us understand master data. So the configuration part we have defined as a consultant. It is our responsible that we have to define the configuration settings. Okay, MM guy will do MM related settings, FI related, FI consult will do FI related settings, and so on. Okay, now who will be creating the master data? Okay, from migrating, I mean, from Oracle to SAP system, if it is a greenfield implementation, so initially definitely we need to support them, right?
Yes.
Uploading the master data, right? And
Yes.
but in real time, I mean, if the system is already in production, so if any masters need to be created, will be doing it obviously end users.
In
Master data
mm,
will be created by end users, and who will be utilizing the master data? End users only.
consultant.
End users only.
Huh?
Because they have to post the transactions, right?
Mm,
Transaction
yes.
data. So what type of data we have? One is master data. Okay, master data. So what kind of master data you see? Generally GL, customer,
Vendor,
vendor. Vendor also called as supplier. Okay, and
suppliers,
what else? Asset, cost
liability.
element,
Okay.
of course now it is integrated to GL only. Cost center,
Okay. Okay. Cost center
cost
master.
center, profit center, and so on. These are the different master data. Okay, etc. Many are there.
Mm-hmm.
So these are called master data. So master data will be created by end users, and the transactions are posted against these master data. Correct. Now we have one more type of data. What it is? Transaction data. So what kind of transaction data? Tell me. Customer transaction data, like a customer invoice, vendor invoice, customer payment. Customer will make payment to us, right? And we make payment to vendor. So vendor payment, we purchase assets, we calculate depreciation. All these are transaction data only, right?
Okay. Got it.
Okay. And why it is coming this one? And what else we have? After I mean, we created master data, we posted transaction data also. What else we'll have? Information data. Correct? What is information? Nothing but reporting.
Okay.
Reporting. Nothing but reporting data, right?
Information data is reporting. Okay. What we are generating that.
You can generate the reports from the of course. If I
Transaction.
want if you want extract list of customers, what is created for legal entity, I can extract.
Mm-hmm. Mm,
If you
got
want
it.
the list of assets purchased this current year, then I can extract the data from the asset. We have asset, many reports are there. Okay, so likewise we can extract the data for the reporting purpose.
Okay.
Any questions, madam? These three. So pretty simple. So end users will be working mostly on this one only, right? Not mostly. I mean, all the time they work on these three areas only, right? Either master data, or the transaction data, or reporting. Now, now let us understand master data. So we are discussing on the GL master data now. GL master data. Okay, what is GL? General ledger. It is
General
called as
ledger. Mm,
general ledger. Okay. Now general ledger in SAP we have two segments. We have two segments. Okay. One is company code segment data. Okay, and we have one more. Okay, let me write it like this. We have one more called chart of account segment data.
COA. Yes.
Why we have to?
Two segments. Company code segment data. Chart of account.
Okay, I'll give you very good example. Okay, now you have three countries. Okay, one is India, one you have US country also. You have one legal entity. You have legal entity in China also, CN. Okay, now for example, administration expenses, one GL account you have. You have one GL account, administration expenses.
Mm.
Maybe this is wrong spelling. Administration expenses, you have one GL account. Now Indian accounting will say that this account does not applicable for India, so I will not create this one. I will not create it. I will not extend. I should say not create, but not extend to the country India. But administration expenses is required for US and CN. Okay, then I will extend. Before this extending, we need to create chart of accounts is mandatory. Okay, chart of account segment is mandatory. Is mandatory. Okay, so you take stationary expenses. Okay, now this account needed for India. So this has to be extended to Indian country. Even US also we needed this GL account. So they have to extend to the US country. Now for China they don't want it. So we leave it. We don't extend. Okay, is that clear or
Yeah.
confusing? Okay,
No,
so
no,
but
no. It's clear.
so but chart of accounts. So this segment data is mandatory. This if you want to create a GL account, this is mandatory. Okay, definitely this is mandatory. You have to create mandatory chart of account chart of account segment data. So under segment data, this chart of account segment data, you have to mention which account group it belongs to. Okay, what is a description? Like this is the description, and this belongs to administration expenses department, not department, account group, I should say, account group. Okay, so if this is not clear, we'll look into system. You will get a clarity on that. Okay, so if you look at here, see easy access. Who will be using this easy access?
End
End
users.
users.
End
Okay,
user.
so you can see here HR information system accounting. So accounting, under accounting we are learning financial accounting.
Financial
Under
accounting
financial accounting,
in
under
the
that we are
general
learning
ledger.
general ledger. Under general ledger, so this is for posting the transactions, this is for displaying the documents, this is for looking at the balances, account balances. Okay, this is for the master records. Here you define the GL accounts, and this is for the period processing. There are certain transactions which need to be done regularly at the month end, so this will be done, I mean this node will be used at the month end as a month end activity. Reporting, as I mentioned, both reporting information system both are same, but you have some different reports are there here. Okay, so starting with master record, because without master record we can't post any entries, right? So master record is must. So master records, under that GL accounts. Under GL accounts we have individual processing. Under individual processing, we have this option: centrally chart of accounts data, company code data. So centrally means it's a combination of chart of accounts and company code. Okay. Centrally means combination of chart of accounts and company code. Chart of accounts plus company code is equal to centrally. So usually, generally we use always FS00, but in case, in case, if a particular country says that we don't want that particular GL account, then we'll create only chart of accounts level only. Then later we extend to the company codes. Okay, so centrally, if you click on centrally, so this is the screen where you create the master data. So as I mentioned, centrally belongs both your chart of accounts data as well as
And company code
company
segments.
code data also. Okay, now this is not our company code. So how to change it? Here we have an options. This is for the creation, this is for the display, this is for the change, this is for the copy, and this is for the block, this is for the delete option, and this is for the changing the company code. Now I need to change the company code here because this is not our relevant one. Okay, so Chumo is not ours. So what is ours, sir? Ours is
TCSI.
a TC
TCSI.
TCSI. So press enter. Now specify an existing value. So okay, so system, it is expecting at least one GL account here. Okay, so it's not allowing me to move forward. So what I will do, I'll create one GL account, first initial GL account. Okay, what is the you remember, right? We remember, right? Maybe created one return earning account. We had given some number also,
Two
two
triple
double nine,
nine.
two triple
Two
nine.
triple nine.
So we already given in the configuration settings, right? As a return
Yes.
earning account as 299. So we have to create the
Correct.
GL account. So 299, and our company code is a TCSI. TCSI. Continue. Now it is see. Now GL account 299. In our, we are creating one GL account for this company code. Okay. So here GL account type. Now you have to
Correct.
tell me now to this balance sheet account belongs to.
Yeah, it is balance sheet
Of
account.
course, sorry. This return earning account belongs to balance sheet account.
Balance
Balance
sheet account.
sheet.
So I already given the answer. So
No, no,
now
yeah,
you
you
should tell me.
explained it, right? Because the
So
balance of profit we
yes,
have to move to
yes,
the
yes. Now this belongs to which category? Which account group?
Account group
assets,
as assets,
assets and liabilities.
assets and liabilities, sir. As it is
Asset
balance
or
sheet.
liabilities? Return earning account is part of your liabilities, okay? Because usually what happens in your in accounting under balance sheet, we maintain liabilities on the left side, assets on the right side, correct?
Mhm.
Correct.
Okay. So under liabilities, we under capital we add your net profit.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
coming
Profit.
under liabilities, okay,
Yeah,
that's coming
or
under
else we'll
liabilities.
deduct the liabilities.
Huh.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Even though if you enter assets also fine, but it is as per your accounting, we use
It
it
is
Yes,
as
liability.
liabilities.
yeah,
Yes.
it's actually a
Okay,
good
short
point.
text. Short text. What is the short text we should give? Return earning account.
Account.
So this is all the GL account. No need to enter again account. So return
Okay.
earnings.
Retain earnings. Okay.
Okay, where is the insert?
Yeah.
Earnings. EAR.
So
Is
for the
fine.
GL long text is for like for why we are using that, or any short description we'll give it.
Sir, if you have very long description,
Uh,
in case is
in case.
there might be some long descriptions for the GL account.
Actually, we do check that because new GLs will be added in our reconciliation sometime. So then
Mhm.
we will see that actually what why we are there using that.
The-
So long description will be
Maybe,
used.
sir, if they are,
Okay.
if the client's GL account description is very lengthy, they'll use this option.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Okay, this I think this will accommodate up to maybe
A
20
few.
character, and this
Yes.
accommodates more than 100 character, I think.
Okay.
So it's a
Yes.
length. It's an option again. It's an option.
Yeah, it's an optional only.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So what we had given here: account type, account group, short text, and long text. This screen belongs to chart of account segment data. Okay. Coming back to the control data. So this screen belongs to company code data. This also create bank interest also. But before going to create bank interest tab, control data tab, so type discretion we had given. This type discretion comes under chart of account segment data. Now control data, so this comes automatically from company code currency, legal entity currency. We defined INR, right? So this currency comes from the company code currency. So INR is the company code currency, which is also called as account currency and local currency also. Now it's a balance sheet account, and so here create bank in. So other than this, nothing major. Sort key, this is for the which is this field is used for reporting purpose. I will show you where it will get updated. But sort key SAP has given multiple options like posting date, document date. Okay, if I give posting date here, so I can extract the data, I can extract return earning data based on the sort key posting date. So that option, so basically you're sorting the data on what paper, on what basis you want to sort the data in the report. That's it. Okay, and coming back to the create bank interest, so this is a field status group. We defined a field status variant. Under field status variant we have a number of field status groups. Okay, so as of now this is very general one. It's a return earning account, it's a general one. Give G00, which is a general, press enter. So I'm coming back to the type description once again. So account type, account group, description, shortest or long term description. Under control data, this is coming from the company code currency, and scroll down, we have sort key, which is used to sort the data for the reporting purpose. Create bank interest, this is where you are defining your field, suppress, optional, whatever, right? Those fields
Mhm.
will control by this field status group from the field status variant definition.
Okay.
Click on save. So keep balance sheet accounts in local currency. So all balance sheet accounts, but there are certain conditions. Okay, give me a minute. Someone is knocking the door.
Yeah.
I'll pause. Okay, you are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Keep balance sheet accounts in local currency only. Okay, this
Mm.
one you have this option control data, but it's not mandatory. It's an optional. So here this I'll go to the change mode. Now I'll put it position the cursor on the GL account because we already saved it, right? So system is expecting to be updated here. What we should do? Okay, I'll just come out from the screen. So again, go back to the FS00. So now you can see here our came automatically. TCSI, our company code. So our company code, how many GL accounts we created?
One.
So it belongs to which account group?
Liabilities.
Written
So that's
earnings.
that's
Retain innings.
account group I'm talking
Liabilities,
about,
liabilities.
liabilities. That's the reason it's showing only one account here under company code. So double click on return earning account. Return earning account. Okay. Now we are in change mode only. Okay. We are in change mode. So go to the control data. So system is expecting, I mean, not mandatory, it's an optional balance is local currency. In
Mm.
case if you are posting some transaction in foreign currency for the GL account, so it has to get updated in local currency also for the local currency reporting. So we'll update
Okay.
this one. Click on save. Okay, now
Even
this is
when
fine.
even when we are posting any GL accounting other than our
INR
local
currency.
currency
Yes.
also,
Yes.
it will update it both
Yes.
the currencies
Yes.
that we
Yes.
have
Mm,
updated
mm.
and the local currency.
Huh. So if
Got
you're
it.
trying to post some in other current, you're trying to post a stationary expenses in USD currency. I want it in INR also.
Got it. Got
Okay, but usually this is updated for only for the from the balance sheet perspective, balance sheet.
it.
Okay, not from the PL perspective. And now we have created only one GL account. Okay, let us create one more GL account. Okay, let us create two more GL accounts for posting the transactions.
Okay.
So let me create one. What is your range, sir, for asset? Remember anyone?
Asset range is
Slash.
1000 to,
Thousand,
oh,
Okay,
sorry,
thousand to 1099.
1099.
slash o OBD4 is the shortcut key for the account groups. Okay.
OBD4.
Yep.
Okay.
And I think I've already mentioned a few T codes here. You can quickly learn something. You can by heart if you want.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Sure.
See here somewhere I mentioned here. Define account codes OBD4. Okay. But I always recommend to go with the path only. Okay. Initially, at least initially few days.
Yes.
Got it.
Once you complete end-to-end cycle, then you can start learning transaction codes. Now go to
Okay.
the position TCSC.
See.
So TCSC, now I'm trying to create one asset which belongs to 1000 to 1199. So go back to
Okay.
the GL master. I want to create one asset
Set
master as
account.
a cash account. Okay, cash account. So 1000. Start with 1000.
1000.
Okay, now 1000 GL account. I want to create it as a cash account.
Cash
Okay,
account.
but sir, now this is another new functionality. In ECC, we have only two account types. One is a balance sheet, one is prime PL account. Okay, we don't have all
Okay.
these different account types.
Okay.
But in SAP, in S4 HANA system, SAP has brought up with the different account types here. So balance sheet, both asset liabilities will be updated under balance sheet. Secondary costs, which are used for the controlling purpose, internal reporting purpose. Okay, and primary cost, of course, we create all the PL accounts.
Okay.
Non-operating also belongs to PL accounts, but which are not really operating purpose. For example, you take a political fund. Every company will make some political fund to the parties, right?
Yeah.
Big parties. So in one of my previous client, I had seen some crores of rupees are donated to the political parties.
Company.
Okay,
Parties.
so
Okay.
example political fund. That's very good example. So it's a
Mm.
non-operating expense. Okay,
Mm.
Okay.
and cash account. So SAP has brought up is another where under cash account there are two options are there. Okay, one is for the bank reconciliation, which is a latest method. I don't think now the clients are using that option, but one more option under cash account is petty cash account, petty cash for the petty cash
Okay.
purpose. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but as of now, what I will do, I'll take balance sheet. Even cash account is a balance sheet account. Okay,
Yes.
so I'll put it as asset. I'm creating one simple GL account, cash account. Okay, if you want, you can mention as cash in hand.
Okay.
Control C, Control V, and control data. So these parameters. Okay, asset, balance sheet, cash in hand, cash in hand. Okay, control data. So again, this is balance sheet account. I'm putting under balances in local currency. Sort
Yes.
key. I SAP has given many sort keys. It's
001 you have given, right?
many are there. Okay,
G
if
double
you want,
zero one for
if you
that.
even if you want based on the document data, I want to extract the data, you can extract the data. Since we are learning GL, I can't give asset number, I can't give a vendor number, right? So as
Mm.
enough I can give, I mean, it doesn't make any sense at all if I give asset number or vendor number. We are not going to post any asset or vendor to this GL account
So
for now.
it is just for reporting
Reporting,
purpose only,
reporting
right?
only. Yeah, I'll show
Just
you, sir.
to,
I will show you.
okay.
So I'm giving posting date here, create bank interest, and the field status group again G001, which is general one. It's a
3001.
general assignment with a text and assignment. Click on save. So we have created second GL account, cash in hand. Let
Hmm.
us create one bank account,
Hmm.
or else primary cost again. mm, I don't want to make you complicated now. Let me create one more 1001 GL account type. Again, I want to get as a balance sheet
Balance sheet,
account, and
asset.
it's asset. I want to give normal bank account. So just imagine that you are receiving cash from the bank. Okay, debit credit.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
So here balances in local currency. Sorry.
And short key will be same as 001.
This is again, it depends, madam. I mean, depends upon your requirement. But as of now, I'm just
Posting date.
selecting posting date. SAP provided many shortkeys. Okay. So G001. So as of now, I'm giving general, but for the bank accounts, SAP has provided separate field status group for banks.
009.
009.
See,
009.
009.
okay, obligatory due date. Obligatory means it's a mandatory. There is a value date. It's a mandatory in this field status group. Okay, we'll give this one at the with the time of bank when we start learning bank accounting. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Now for now, I'm just giving general only. Actual accounts. When I create actual bank accounts, at that time I
Right.
will give it.
Okay, sure.
So we have created two asset accounts, one liability account. We'll try to post we'll try to post one accounting document where we receive cash from the bank account. So we debit the cash account and create the bank account. Okay. Now before posting the transaction, now we have created the data here, right?
Yes.
I'll go back. Now let us see in chart of accounts. See, same asset
Okay.
and
That
liabilities.
will
Now
come. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
let us check bank account first. So see, this is a chart of account data. Same fields only, right? GL account type, asset group, short text, sorry, account group, short text and GL. So basically, there are certain tabs which belongs to chart of accounts data. So type in description, keyword translation. Keyword translation is this tab is used for different languages to maintain the description different languages. If you want to maintain this description in Hindi language, yeah, you can maintain. You can study the language Hindi and you can maintain the language here. You can maintain the description in Hindi. That is possible.
Okay.
So,
Correct.
sir, I mean, for example, Japanese company will always use a Japanese related SAP format only, right? Japanese language only. They don't know English.
Yes.
Even French,
Yes.
French, so there are certain countries they don't follow in English. They follow in their own languages. So they definitely they have to maintain the different languages here. Of course, especially there is a specific language. Okay, now if you want, okay, since our TCS in India, so even our legal entity accounting head saying that we want to update in Hindi language also. Yes, you can get that information. You can update the language here. Okay, and information. Who created the GL account? Yes, it's me. On which date? This one. Okay, you can get all the details, and this gives you when created, who created, what are the changes has been done this year. It will give all the details under this change documents. See, old value, new value. Okay, coming back to the this is belongs to chart of accounts data segment. Type description, keyword translation, information. This belongs to chart of accounts data. Now go back to the pros company code data. So company code data again simple. It's a simple in the sense we already defined, right? What is your account currency, balance local currency, short key, and create bank interest field status group.
Pramod Garu,
Hmm.
we have done this centrally, so it will
It
updated in
automatically,
all
yes,
these
yes,
fields
yes, yes, yes,
areas,
but
right?
yes, yes, we already used transaction FS00, which is used centrally where you will enter chart of account data as well as company code data. No, if you say that no, Pramod, I don't want to create for company code. If you want to create only for chart of account data also, you can create it.
Individually, we can create it,
Yes, yes,
and
but
if we want both
mm,
in both
yes,
areas, so we
ha
have to
ha ha. But
create
for
in central.
creating company code data, you should have mandatorily chart of accounts.
Yeah, obviously.
Yes, because where we have account group, right? Those fields should be
Yes,
there. That's the
yes,
reason I mentioned here. Now you understood, right?
yeah,
Initially, I was explaining here mandatory. Chart of
uh,
account segment is mandatory.
yeah, agree.
Now, so for example, I have there is a one GL account wages. Okay, labor wages.
Hmm.
So first what I will do, I'll create segments, chart of account segment data here. First I will create it. Okay. So here some GL account number 2000 something 2000. I have created only chart of account segment data, right? I have
Hmm.
type description which belongs to account, which account group, short text description, long description for this GL account under chart of account screen. Now this 2000 GL account only for US it is required. So what I will do, I'll extend to this company code. I will use another company code screen, right? Company code this GL this one. That's it. Initially I have created chart of account segment data. Now based on the requirement, I will extend to the company code. So what you will do for for US related, I will extend by using this transaction, company code transaction.
Okay.
Clear? Confusing? So for each and every GL account, first step is each and every GL account should be created under chart of account segment. You have to specify under which account group it belongs, which account type, short description, long description. This is mandatory. Later, based on the client, based on the legal entity, based on the country specific, they will confirm whether this GL account is required or not. If the US company says it is required, then I will extend in the company code transaction. That's it.
Okay.
And if it is applicable for China, I will just extend to Chinese country. This is not applicable, then I don't create it in, I don't use the transaction, company code transaction for this India. So you will not find GL account in India company code. Sir, is that clear?
Yeah, it is clear, but I have a
Yep.
background one clarification I
Hmm.
wanted.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So we are processing actually all the customization or whatever that, like, updating in IMG, where now we are doing an end user access, which we are creating a GL accounts in FS00.
Hmm.
So I wanted to get a clarity of it. Maybe I missed something or what
Hmm.
exactly. I don't know. We are
IMG is
using,
a screen, right?
see,
Sir.
now it is a easy
Huh.
access.
Huh. So I'm coming back to SAP. So easy access is something where end users will create the master data and put the
Yes,
transactions.
yes.
IMG is our role, consultant role, where we do the
Correct.
configuration
Now
settings.
you have created the all the bank transactions or
Hmm.
return earnings all in IMG only or
No,
easy
sir.
access.
Easy access, sir. This is the path, right?
Now you have created them in the easy access.
Huh, you have the path, na? You have the settings here.
Yeah, pathwise no problem. This is all clear. But
Huh. Huh.
screen wise,
Yes.
easy
Yes.
access you used to
Huh.
create that account details. I
Yes.
mean, uploaded the account details.
Huh, sir. Now my question is, these options are coming under which screen? Easy access only, right?
Easy
That's what I was
access.
only.
Okay.
The
So
path.
this okay. This access will be restricted to the end user to
Yep.
not to
Yep.
add it anything as we only have an
Yes.
access.
No,
So we are
this
moving.
master. So again, in usually this easy access,
Hmm.
master data and transaction data will be given to the end users. There might see from end users there are four accountants. One accountant completely given access to master data creation.
Okay.
So other three accountants they will have access to post their transactions.
Because we
That
have
is,
a master data team also in SAP,
yes,
especially they will
yes,
taking care of all the updates and all. However, that CO part
ha,
is taking
ha,
care of, right?
ha.
So that's
So
what I'm
okay,
asking. Easy
the two
access
things,
is like
sir.
an end user
Uh,
using it.
I'm talking from the where SAP is already in the production.
Okay, got it.
So
So you now you
all of a sudden, you want as an end user, you want two GL accounts to be created.
okay.
Only two GL
Got it.
accounts, right?
Mm,
So if it is very big volume, like 1,000 or 2,000, 5,000 GL accounts, then
mm.
it's a consultant role will come into picture.
Okay.
Okay, and SAP has a separate module called MDM, Master Data Management.
Management MDM, yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
not all the clients are using, all the clients are purchasing MDM tool. Okay, so if they are like taking license for MDM, they will get the license for MDM. It's a, again
Hmm.
module where all the master data related activities will be taken care in that MDM tool.
Okay.
Okay, so MDM. So if it is if there is a bulk data, it will be done by the consulting team.
Mm,
If it is not in the real time production, in the real time, when the users are in the production working in the production system, if they
mm.
have small volume like 5 GL accounts, 6 GL accounts, or 1 or 2 GL accounts, definitely they will have access, they can go ahead and create the master data. No
Master data.
issues.
Okay. So in that perspective, you're explaining us to in easy
Yes,
access, which we can able to
yes,
create them.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Huh.
Got it.
Now we are in demo server.
Hmm.
So I'm playing as a role, as a consultant role. I'm playing as a end user role also.
When is the role? Agree. But because you're creating that, this GL accounts, right?
Hmm,
So there I just got some
hmm,
need some
hmm,
clarity, but
hmm,
now I got it.
yeah.
This which we have to only do in simple access
Hmm,
only, that we will create in the
hmm,
GL accounts.
hmm,
Okay, assets
hmm,
and liabilities under, so that
hmm,
again we have to use in the simple access
hmm,
only by
hmm.
using any F-02 or anything
Yeah.
to post the entry.
Yes. Yes.
Got it.
So if there is a bulk data, some okay, from
Mm.
Oracle to SAP, you are migrating, you are like shifting from Oracle to non-SAP to SAP during greenfield implementation. Okay,
Okay.
at that time you have some thousands of GL accounts are there, lakhs of transaction data is there. So that is a
Mm.
part of your migrating. I mean, it's part of your cutover activities. Okay,
Yes.
so under cutover activities, we upload the master data by using different tools. Okay, for uploading master data, we use migrate your data is in a Fury application where SAP has brought up. So by using that application, we can just it's a SAP has provided templates are there, GL template, cost center template, customer master template. So by using those templates, we'll ask users to update the templates. So we upload the data in the production.
Got it.
Okay, so many tools are there. Even LSNW, it's a legacy system migration workbench. Is another tool we can use to upload the master data. Okay, even if this is there in ECC also. Now mostly people are using no mostly the later versions, right? Migrate your data is a Fury application where you can use the migration cockpit. It's another application. Um, Fury app library. మేడం ఇవన్నీ చూసి భయపడకండి.
No, sir, no.
Okay,
మీరు
migrate
ఉన్నారు
your
కదా.
data migration. Okay, data migration, both you have both where we have master data can be loaded as well as your transaction data also can be loaded by using this application.
Got it.
Okay, it's a Fury application. Okay, and so basically sir, master data transaction data belongs to end user at a high level. I'm saying it is
Okay,
there,
got
it
it.
is their responsible.
Hmm.
Configuration is our responsible.
Okay,
If they say that no, we can't create manually 1000 GL account, then we are there, right, to help them out. We can guide
oh,
them by using this tool.
got it.
Okay, so but this is completely within their hands, master data, transaction
Hmm.
data, and of course
Okay,
reporting. But anything settings in the backend will be taken care. So there is a difference, consulting and end user.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
see, we don't know, right, which GL account they want it. So they have their own access to create the master data.
Got it.
So, madam, any doubts on this one? Two segments, and we can extend to countries accordingly. This is mandatory. So,
ఏం లేదు సార్.
so now, so we have two types of data, right? Chart of account data, company code data is equal to centrally. Chart of accounts plus company code is equal to centrally data. Agreed? Not
యా
agreed?
అగ్రీ.
Agree.
అగ్రీ
Now,
అగ్రీ.
slash, okay. SE16N is a table browser where we can see the data. So, in okay, this is a transaction, right? This is a transaction. We entered all the details here. Okay. Now, where the data is getting stored in the backend, front end, sir, as a end user, by using this graphic user interface, I've entered the data here. I've created the GL master, but somewhere it should get stored, right, madam? Where the data is getting stored? In your mobile, the data is getting stored in your memory card or in your hard drive, right? Disk, I mean, memory,
Yes.
internal memory
Yeah.
or external memory, whatever the memory. So, where it is getting stored in SAP? So, in SAP, it is getting stored under table format. SC16N is a transaction code for using table browser. Okay, so see here, general table display. Now, chart of account segment data has one table which is called as SKA1. See here, you can read this one. GL account master, chart of accounts. Now we created how many accounts we created, sir?
Three accounts:
Very good,
cash,
three
bank,
accounts. So
retained earnings.
okay, all three accounts belongs to our chart of accounts only, right? So
Yes.
TCSC.
Yes.
This is our chart of accounts. Just
Yes.
select your chart of accounts, just execute it. So how many you should get it? Three.
Three.
Is it clear? Now,
Yeah.
now chart of accounts belongs to which account group and also which account type. Account type is nothing but balance sheet. You can
Mm.
just explore it. Balance sheet X is balance sheet. Okay, and description also. GL account long text and GL long text and short text. Of course, these two are the important. This is in the capital letters for the long text. Short text and long text, and GL account type and account group. All these details will come under chart of account segment data. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Coming back, what is another table? Another segment?
It is a company code segment.
Exactly. So for that we should use SKB1. So SKB1 is a
Company
table.
code is SKB1,
Hmm.
and chart account. The what is that code, sir?
Chart of accounts segment.
Is what is that code for that? It is
SKA1.
SK1.
So I already written here for your
Okay.
understanding.
No,
Configuration
no. In the
settings.
notes, I'm.
No worries, madam. So let me check. Even I need to write it here, right? See, it's there
S,
here.
uh-huh.
SKB1
SK.
company code and SK1 is chart of accounts, and we have one more table for the description.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So coming back to the so here so what is the earlier chart of accounts we are in the chart of accounts table we need to enter chart of accounts. In the company code table, what we need to enter? Company code.
Company
So
code.
company code is TCSI.
Yes.
So number of entries. So if I click on number of entries, how many I should get it?
You
3.
will get three.
Obviously, right? We are on the right track, right? Close, execute it. You can see the company code data. So under company code data, you remember field status group, sort key,
Mm-hmm.
account currency. You can see all this one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
sort key, posting 001, field status group 00001. Who created it? It's me with my ID. On which date you have created? This date. So basically, so we have three types of GL master data creation, either centrally or company code data wise or chart of account segment wise. That's it. We have one more table. So if anyone asks you, right, so what you should say? So the GL accounts will stored in three tables. One is SKA1, SKB1 and SKAT. So chart of accounts is TCS C. Sir, this is only for the
One
description
second.
purpose.
1 second. In GL, there will be three tables, right?
In the so the GL master data creation will be done in
Three.
two segments. I can say one is chart of
Ah,
account
that
segment data
that
and
that
company
can-
code.
that is okay. Now you have you have like explained like there can be three ways.
The GL account master data, the data will get stored in three tables:
Okay.
SK1, SKB1, and SKAT. So SKAT is nothing but it's a chart of accounts description. Execute. So what? It's the same one only, sir. What is the differences are here? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between SKA1 and SKAT? Both are chart of accounts related, right? But what is the difference?
Here we are getting timestamp,
That's
uh,
good. That's very good. I think timestamp was there also. I think
and we can see short text and like
no, madam. No,
long
no,
text.
not the difference. What is the main difference here,
Mm.
sir? Expecting answer, sir. Why we have this third table?
As it mentioned, text like GL description.
Description there are అక్కడ కూడా ఉంది మేడం. I'll go to the SK1 also.
Mm,
Here ఇక్కడ కూడా I'm sorry. మనది ఏంటి chart of accounts ఏంటి TSCC కదా?
Yes, see,
yes,
sir.
C and D.
TCSC presenter execute it. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. మనకి ఇక్కడ కూడా టైం స్టాంప్ ఉంది. ఏ రోజు క్రియేట్ చేసా ఏంటనేది. Now you should
బట్
tell.
అది ఇది చాలా లెందీగా ఉంది. అది చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది.
That's the difference, huh?
No, no.
ఒక
Just
నిమిషం. So let me see that, sir. This. Let me understand. Timestamp.
This is the difference, sir. Language.
Oh,
okay.
So if you want to update this GL account description in multiple languages, you can see multiple language description in this table.
One
so
second, sir. SKAT will give the.
So if you have Hindi, it will come Hindi here. If you have Marathi, I mean, of course not Marathi, but if you want in Japanese, Japanese.
no, you asking about a timestamp, right?
No, no. I answered it. What is the differentiation? I answered it as we can see the timestamp over here. He asked the
Okay.
difference between SKA1 and
SKAT.
SKAT. And
Okay.
the difference is the language here. in the SKAT we can like convert like convert, right? We
Not
can
con
convert or we
you
can
can
see
we can see if you are creating the GL account. Okay, let me go back to the this one, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master data, GL accounts. Say for example, let us use centrally only. Okay,
hmm,
change mode, and sorry, let me put one GL account. Okay, take this cash account and go to the change mode. I think we are already in change mode. Huh? Keyword translation. So here, this part, this is getting stored under, this data is getting stored under where?
translation here. I can see
In the
English.
table, in which table it is getting stored, the language data? S
SKAT.
SKAT, that's correct. So here I have to update Hindi language here. Okay, Hindi. Now we need to copy from the Google translation, right? So that is very important. For time being, I'm putting as paisa. Save it. Now go back to the table and search it for the Hindi language also. Refresh this one. This is not coming. I think, have we maintained anything here? For which GL account we maintained? I think it should come, right?
Assets
Cash in
cash.
hand 1000. So 1000. Okay, it is expecting. Why it is not coming? Keywords in chart of accounts, TCS. I refreshed it, right?
Yes.
In the English language, it should come. Maybe not in the demo server. I never tried this option. Of course, in real time, yes, not in the demo server. Hindi, no, it's not coming. But this gives you in all the languages. Okay, this gives you in all the languages. Now I'm getting doubt why it is not getting updated. So cash in hand, keyword translation, Hindi language, maybe cash in hand. Okay, translation. Maybe this also might need it, right? Hindi, Hindi, and this is paisa, paisa. Save it. Maybe now it will give. I think so. Yep. Got it.
Hindi. Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is expecting translation tab also here, this tab, not only this tab but this tab also it is expecting translation, because
Mm,
now I have to update in translation mode, right? Not this English language.
mm, mm.
Okay, so the difference
One
is
second. Could you please go to your like a SKAT tab, SKAT field?
SKAT table.
Table. Yeah, here we have English and as well as Hindi also. It is
If
not
you
replacing the language.
yes, if you want to maintain this GL account in multiple languages, yes, you can maintain the description part. You can maintain as many as languages SAP provided languages. I think more than 75 languages SAP has provided,
Mhm,
right?
mm.
So slash o OX02, which is a company code definition. So position TCSI is your company code, and double click here. So this is your language, right? So these
Yes.
many languages are there here. See how many are there? 44 entries are there. I can maintain the languages in these countries.
Okay.
Mostly Japanese language, Chinese language will be used in their languages, and Spanish also.
Got it.
So coming back to the, so we had gone through the tables also. So where exactly the master data is getting stored. We created some of the GL accounts, and also we have created only balance sheet related GL accounts. We have not created any expense accounts. Okay. So those GL accounts are getting updated in the backend tables SK1, SKB1, and SKAT. Okay. And now we'll try to post one entry, general posting, FB50 or F-02. We can use both transactions. There's no much difference. So take accounting, and under accounting, under financial accounting, under GL accounting, we have used master records. Okay, GL accounts. Now I'm coming back here, documented entry. So document entry. So either we can use FB50 or F-02. If you are using F-02, we have to enter the posting keys, debit and credit. If you are using FB50, not required. So initially better, I'll show you on the B50. So document date. So this is our company code.
No, no, no. We have
No.
to change.
So we have to change the company code to which company
Yes,
code?
yes.
TCSI.
I.
So now it has been changed to TCSI. So I'll give today's date only 15th, and reference some test 1 to 3, and header text also something you can give test 1 to 3, and GL account. So let me give cash account debit and credit bank account. Is a I mean you are receiving cash from the bank account. Okay. So press enter. This is our company code. So cash in hand account debit. So I'll put it as a debit here. SAP has already provided here debit and credit. So uh, credit side is bank account, and I'll put it here as a credit. So amount will start with 100 rupees and 100. So these two are balance sheet accounts. Okay, press enter.
Hmm.
So posting period 01 to 2025 is not open for variant TCSP and account category plus.
Super.
Okay,
Yeah.
so because we have not updated any periods, right?
Posting
So
periods.
okay,
Posting periods
this
are
is
not
your
open.
first error. So it is saying our posting period variant TCS posting P is posting period variant. You remember, right? TCSP.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay,
We have
so
added.
we have to /OB52 is a transaction code where we need to update the periods, or else you can go with the path TCSP. This is the screen you remember, right, madam? We had seen earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now so instead of entering all, this will take a lot of time. So what I will do, I'll copy it from any existing posting period variant.
Okay.
So how to copy? I'll um, okay, OB52. I will put it in the okay. We are in change mode. So I'll copy this one. Copy. I'll use this one till here. Others are not required. I'll explain you later. Control C, and open one more screen with the same transaction /o OB52. OB52 is nothing but open and close periods. Okay. What is the posting period variant for a TCS?
TCSP.
TCSP. Go to the new entries. Sir, we can enter manually, but this will take little time. That's the reason I'm just copying it.
Your
Control V.
copy.
Okay, so this is account type. So account type, we have all the account types like assets, customers, vendors, material, GL accounts. This is mandatory. Plus is mandatory. We should have this plus symbol also. Now, so what is the error we are getting here? We are not able to post the
Posting period.
transaction because 0 to
Posting.
12th period is belongs to which period? Which month?
March.
Exactly. So 2025, the last period. We are in the March period of 2025 financial year. Got it, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to open 12th period. So here I will put it 12th and 2025 12th period. Okay.
One,
So
one, one, two.
okay,
Um,
and we are posting GLs. This is mandatory, and GL also mandate. Since we are posting GL to GL only, right? Cash in hand account is a GL account, bank also GL account. There is no
Okay.
customer, no vendor. So I'll just
Correct.
consider yes. So only yes only I will put it as 12th period. Okay, 12th period. Sorry, 12th. Now click on save. So I'm opening. So this is coming under
Yeah,
TR. Okay, but
that's
this
on.
is usually this is not does not come under TR. I don't know. Maybe SAP has updated with this T code also as a customizer request. Not sure. They can remove it out. Base system can remove it out without asking prompting request. Okay, they can do that. So because this activity be done by end users only, sir. We are not going to do
Which one? Opening the
this.
periods
Yes, they have to do, right. We're not
might be actually as but because so far I'm
core
working with
users,
them.
core users
Okay, core users might
like
be because it is
professional.
out of control. We will be like losing.
So that's the reason from the management accounts manager, not
Because
under.
once we close the books, we will not open because the
Yes,
batch run will
yes,
start
yes,
after closing the books.
yes. This is
If it
something
open, yes.
from the client side, the management. I mean, the management
Hmm.
team, accounting management team.
Yeah, I think it's a small and mid companies can able
Hmm,
to
hmm,
open it
hmm,
when they
hmm.
required it, but
Yes.
where I
So,
worked in a big companies, it is not allowed.
not this, no, sir. It's SAP is very strictly restricted. for all the users.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
only few members will have access to open the periods. That to very
Yes.
senior people.
Yes, exactly. So
Someone should
techno-functional team will be there in it actually.
point of
We
contact.
request them
Yes, yes.
based on the high-end approval. They will open that for us sometime only for the few people. They will post the
Hmm.
interest and then again they'll close it.
So they are called as SAP core users from the client side. SAP
Okay.
core users. Core
Okay. High
users. Okay.
core users. Okay.
So we have opened for plus and for yes only 12th period. Okay, if I try to post 11th period, I can't. It will throw the error, right? So coming back to the general posting, where is the posting? Here we have this posting. So that error should go away. That error has been disappeared, madam. So we resolved one error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is another error? Now read this error.
In company code TCI say the number of range zero is missing.
Zero one is missing for the year.
Zero one
So,
is missing.
in SAP we have this document type. So SAP provided different document types like customer invoice, customer payment, vendor payment, GL posting. So different document types are provided by SAP. For each document type, we have to maintain the number ranges. So this is also initial discussion only. So in the current 2025 or 2026 financial year, how many documents you are expecting for the GL postings? So we should tell them. I mean, we should ask client. So they will say 1 lakh might be 1 lakh documents. So we should maintain the numberage accordingly. So where we maintain that number range? So we have one transaction. Okay, I'll go to the document type configuration. This one we already saved it. So I'll just close this one. Slash OOB A7 is a document type definition where SAP provided all the document types. So document types, you can see here document types. So we are posting SA document type now. SA document type. Double click on SA document type. See, these are the parameters where SAP document type has number range. It will control the number range also. Reversal document type. If you're trying to reverse a document, system will expect another document type SP. Now, I can post to this document type only these account types, whatever activated. If these are not activated, I cannot post. If I remove this GL account, I cannot post to the SA document type.
Got it.
Okay, and whenever you are posting to SA, these two fields are mandatory. If you are putting as activation here, if you am ticking here, then whenever I post to SA document type, system will ask me to enter reference number header text here itself. Here, header text and reference field. These two field becomes mandatory from SA document type. It's an interview
Got
question.
it.
Okay, interview question is what are the different features we have in document type definition. So we can say that account types can be controlled. We can say that both reference field and header text will be controlled. I mean, as a part of mandatory, and also this document type will also has a reversal document type, and we can maintain a different exchange rate type. Okay, and
Okay.
this is relevant for intercompany transactions, and this is also used for negative postings permitted. This one no
Okay.
one will use, but this is what we have for document type definition. So,
Difference of, sir, 1 second. Difference of
SAP has provided these many features for a document type definition.
like what the question which
Questions,
like
At least you can see a couple of questions from this document type screen, madam. In the
document type screen
in your
different
in
difference.
SAP certification, I'm talking about from the
Yeah,
SAP
yeah, sure.
certification. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so even interviews, even in normal interviews also they may ask what are the parameters that we have in document type. So you
Okay.
should say that what are the different features we have in document type. We can say that, right? It will control the different account types. It can control the mandatory two fields, reference number, header text, and also we can attach a different exchange rate type.
Yes.
Okay, these many options are there. If I don't tick this one, I cannot do any cross company code transactions by using this document type.
Yes.
Okay,
Got it.
these many are there. These many are there.
Mm-hmm.
But for now, what is the error we got? Number range.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, number range information. Click on number range information and make sure that don't change anything parameters here. Okay, these are standard document types.
See, Pramod Garu, there is one small question from my end.
Hmm?
Number range is already till 99 only.
Number ranges is
Actually, number range is nothing but see rest of the things I got it. I thought number range is the document number. What I thought it
no, for
document number
posting the
range.
transactions. How many
Uh,
essay document
uh,
type documents you want to post? in a year in
Okay.
2026. You will say that up to 1 lakh you want. Usually it will be 1 lakh volume. So I'll define
Okay.
1 to 10 lakhs per safer side.
Oh, if it is showing 1 means 1 lakh, huh? I'm
One,
missing that
no, no,
clarity.
this is identification, sir. This is identification. I will give the number range here.
Okay.
Okay, company code. What is the company code?
TCSI.
TCSI. Now here I'll give this click on change intervals. Now number for SA document type, the identification for SA is 01.
Zero.
What is the
Okay.
year you are present year in which year it is
2025.
25. Now how many SA documents that you are going to post in 2025?
Think that around a
Okay,
thousand.
yeah. So you can give here 1 to 1000. Okay.
Okay. So if it is more than that, we can't post it in 2025. Is it?
So for example, if I give some here 100, I can post only 100 documents in this year for this document type.
Okay. Document type.
Okay, if it is reaching 100 documents, if you want to increase, again you can start from
We
101 to
create a number, yes,
yes.
but we number range will be two, and we have to
Ha,
create one more now. Correct?
not two, sir. We'll use the same essay document type is 01. This also here also 01. This also 2025. Here 101 to 200.
Okay.
Number will be there, right?
When we are changing the number range,
We are not changing any number range, sir.
it's a standard one, huh?
Standard one in the sense we are defining the number range here, sir. What does okay now?
Number
At
range
okay,
number
sir.
zero
Let
one is
me
there, right?
let
That is only I'm getting
this one.
doubt.
This is standard identification
Ah,
for essay document type.
okay, okay. Now I got a clarity. Thank you. I
So I'll
missed it.
come back to the document type definition. Where is the document type? Okay, I came from document type only, right? So I'll go back.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yes.
sir, this is a name, sir. It's a name only. This is a name, and this is also some linked name for this one.
Okay. It will
So fine.
default. It will open if it is
Default
updated as SA.
default. If you are giving some PA here, then I have to define number range for PA.
Okay. So number
This
range.
number range we will
Sir,
only
sir,
like
for this one it is 01. For KR it will be 19, I think. So it's standard only. I mean
Ah, that's what. Now I got
19.
a clarity. If it is okay, if it is a
So
defined date,
with
it is a default. That's what.
ha
I
ha
don't know whether on what basis we are taking that. Now I got a clarity.
ha
Maybe I missed that
it's a
when you're
standard, sir.
explaining.
They had given that name.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Clear. Yeah. Go ahead.
Ha.
01.
So what we have done, we had SA document type. For SA document type, number range two identification character is 01. For 01 here
Got it.
here we have to maintain with the 01 here
TCSI.
with the
Yes. Got
01.
it.
Okay. In SA
Got it.
document it is mentioned 01, so I'm defining with 01 only. Now I'm
Mm,
expecting for SA document type in 2025 I'll post 100 documents.
got it.
If it is reaching 100, if you want to post one more document, 101 document also, it will it will throw error saying that already documents has been there is no
Reach
sufficient
the
number
limit.
range. Okay.
Got it.
So in that case, what I will do again, I will put 01 here, 2025, 101 to 200 I will maintain here.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. This external, internal, I'll tell you later. This is fine.
Got it.
Go back. So go back to your error screen. Now this error should passed away, right? Should go away with number range error.
Should go. Correct.
That went away. That is gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is no amount tolerance range entered for
It's
company
just
code
an
TCA.
it's a
Warning
just
message
identification
looks
symbol, right?
like
Warning only. We can
present.
accept. Go ahead.
Now the anyhow, still it is showing there.
No amount of tolerance
No
range or anything.
amount tolerance range entered for company code TCSA. Click on view details. See, no amount tolerance range entered. So what is a tolerance limit? Okay, limit
Yes.
entered for company code TCSI. So no tolerance group is specified in company code. No, in a tolerance group, you define the upper limit for a posting. So, madam, you are an accountant, you are an end user. I'm giving some limit for you. You can post only up to 1000 rupees, not more than that. But
okay.
that setting is a mandatory here. Okay, it is mentioned. See here, if you are entered the correct company code, ensure that at least one tolerance group is created for this company code. So it is expecting at least one tolerance group, at least blank one. Okay, we do it here. We do it. Okay, define tolerance group for employees. Define tolerance group for employees. You want to see the path? So go back with the path. I think I opened with the T code, sir. Close this one. This also close. This also close. This also close. Close.
This essay and that I'm getting a bit confused. One more time I have
Essay. Okay.
like essay and code 01. That a bit.
Oh,
used to
Okay,
add.
Pramod garu, let me
Hmm,
explain if you give a
hmm,
permission.
hmm, hmm,
Maybe
hmm,
it
hmm,
will help us me
hmm,
also.
hmm.
Prasanna garu, SA document is a standard journal document.
Mm,
For that, if we selected SA, okay, SA is a one option which we have to select while we are posting it. There are different type of postings, SA, vendor postings or customer, different postings are there. Then general ledger accounting, standard journal, SA is the one option which we'll select. If we select it, by default, it will have a one code which is 01, which will be pop up.
mm,
Okay. For
mm,
example, if it is a vendor posting, as Pramod Garu showed that, like,
mm,
vendor selected, if we selected, it will pop up as a 19. So
mm,
we not required, we should not think about much about that number.
mm,
Only we have to use that number while assigning that document number range in it.
mm. Number
That's it.
range, yes. Yeah.
We are
How
using it for
many
SA.
documents?
We got a 01. That
Mm,
01 which you're using to use the, like, the number range of the documents, how many we are posting for the particular
mm.
year or month.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Madam, now you should tell me what is the TCSI? What is
Company
this one?
code.
Is it this company code or identification?
Company code.
Company code identification, right? Description is your Tata TCS,
Tata.
Tata Consult Services Limited.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Tata Consultancy Services something.
Yes. Yes.
This is your company code description. This definition we are defining for company code. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now my question is, what is this one? It's an identification for company
Hmm.
code.
Hmm. Hmm.
Even for document types also, SAP has given identification with SA01.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Got it, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
continuing with this, we should assign number range. How many documents you are expecting to be posted for this document type in
Yeah.
2025 year? So 100 documents. So for this
100
01
documents.
only, for this only, I'm defining 1 to 100 here.
Hmm.
100.
Hmm. 1 to 100.
Yes.
Is it
Got it.
clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Go.
Clear, Andy.
Yep. Go back to the. So here, financial accounting, under financial accounting, GL accounting, under GL accounting, business transactions, under business transactions, open item clearing. Under open item clearing, you can see clearing differences. Under that, here we have this option, define tolerance group for employees. Either you can go with the path, or if you are facing that error, you can go via path with the error also. Press enter.
Uh-huh.
Here also you can click here, you can click on
You
direct,
did.
it will take you to the same screen. But I don't recommend you
Yeah.
to go with the this
Okay.
shortcut key. Okay, go with the
Okay, sir.
always path, so that you will understand what we are doing now here. So
Mhm.
where is the path? So path is very simple. So we are working on the GL accounting, do you agree?
Exactly.
And we are posting the transactions, agree?
Business
Under
transaction.
transactions, so since you have not learned open item clearing, but something posting related only, open item clearing differences. So if there is a difference, this differences under employees it is created. Task group for employees. So here we need to assign one, what do you say, at least one group. So talent group, okay. What is the company code?
TCS
TCSI.
file.
So as of now, we have not created any. If you take like this, we have to create it. So what
Mm-hmm.
I'll do, I'll create new entries. I'll create a
Employees.
company code TCSI.
Yes.
This is our company code. I'll amount per see upper limit. You can post if I give 100 rupees, you can't post more than 100 rupees.
Huh, got it.
Okay. So what
That
I'll
is
do,
the
I'll
limit.
give 9999. We have that scenario. I mean, it's already there in my Excel sheet. One scenario. I'll explain at that time. So
Okay, sir.
this one also. Okay. And not put anything. Click on save. Click on continue. Now we have, it's a blank group. It's a blank group. I have not given any name for this. Okay.
Why, sir?
Okay. I will explain about the tolerance group later. So as of
Okay.
now it is blank group. So
Hmm.
here also we are using which ID? Your employee ID is, what is our employee ID? King
Uh,
user. So
uh,
for
uh,
King it is blank only. Tolerance group is blank only. Make
okay.
sure here also blank. There also blank.
Okay, sir.
If you are creating group name, then you have to update group name here.
Okay, sir. We are not here. There we
Hmm.
are. We didn't updated
Yes.
the
Yes.
group
Yes.
name, so here we
Yes.
are not.
Yep. Okay. Now go back to the this screen. Press enter. Now that errors has been resolved.
Ye- An entry is
Huh.
required.
No, earlier error has been resolved, right? The Talon group
Yes,
related
yes,
error.
Yes, yes, it
yes.
Okay.
got.
Now what is another error? An entry is
An entry
required
is
in the
required.
item text field for account. Item text for field account. 1,000 GL account. It is expecting item text. Where is item text? Here it is there. Item text. So system is expecting text. Why it's a mandatory here? Why it is not? It's error mode. Okay. It's a mandatory field here. This one.
Because any
Yes,
manual
because
mistake.
No, not manual mistake, because in the GL account, if you go to the 1000 GL account,
Uh,
go to the FS00, which is centrally created GL account. So go to the asset, 1000 is cash in hand account. What is the
mm,
field status? G001.
001.
Double click here itself. Double click here itself. It is going to the TCSF, Tata Consulting Services field status variant definition. We defined it.
Okay,
Under that G001 we assign to the GL account.
correct.
Under G001, under general data, your text is required field.
Exactly. I'm supposed to tell this only. There are options we have surplus. Okay.
Okay.
SRO you told, right? There we
Yes,
might have
yes.
updated as an required
Yep,
option.
yep.
Mm,
So
Okay.
our cash in account with the field status group G001, under that text is assigned with required field. That's the reason system is
Just
expecting required here.
got it.
got it. Got it.
Now you're becoming consultant.
Okay.
Go back to the
Kusunagar.
no, go back to the
Enter. Yeah, that's
oh, sorry, where
Text
I
field
am
which you
now.
have to.
Ha,
text.
sorry, here. Okay,
First thing you have
text
to.
field. So you can give something test or one something, whatever you want to maintain. So it's nothing but journal entry description. You can mention something cash
Okay, no
comes from
problem.
the bank account. Okay, press enter. Even for this one also, it is asking. Why it is asking? Because both belongs to same field status group only.
Same
Yes,
place.
exactly. So text for that also you have
Test
to
also
give.
put it here. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Anyhow, I think double clicked.
So in
Amount
amount
we
you
have to
updated as a text. No, no, no. You have to
amount.
give some amount. It updated it incorrectly.
Uh,
Okay,
now it's
press
okay.
enter. Go back. Double back.
I think it should
Okay,
accept now.
so now
Mm,
this is green. Total debit is 100, total credit is 100, which is
mm,
in green mode. If you
mm,
see any errors, then it will be in red mode.
mm.
So you have to correct the
Oh,
errors.
it's a green. Okay.
Now it is because debit and credit, right, sir? Balance
Ah,
is
no,
zero.
no. That's got
Any
it.
doubt?
I'm not
Ha
able.
ha.
No, no, no. I just see that.
Ha. This is also you have to carefully see. Okay, if it is an error,
Okay.
then you have to come to know. You will come to know what are the errors that we are facing. So what are the errors we had seen till now? Go back to the sheet 10. No, first what is the first error?
Period. Oh, sorry. Posting
No,
period.
that
Yeah, posting
actually
period.
like this uh, tolerance, amount tolerance.
Posting
Period. First
period.
is a period only.
Yes.
We open the period for the
And
particular.
next,
Okay. Next is the
amount
tolerance, amount
tolerance amount.
tolerance, tolerance amount. Third one
So,
is
the required mandate like SRO
no, that number range.
number range.
Uh, number range is not identified. SA super.
What else is sir we had seen?
SA we have updated all the details.
So
And
Text only, right? Text
text
one,
mandatory
only.
text.
two. Sorry, this is a second error we can say, and this is a third error we can say, and fourth error is text field
Text
is
on
Text
text
field.
will update
mandatory.
is mandatory.
Coming from field status group
Field status.
via field status variant. Agree?
Correct. Yeah, yeah, correct.
Fifth one, don't worry, you will see further more errors. Coming back to the now
Okay.
click on post. See, there is no item category assigned to item category. There is no item category assigned to account 1000 TCSC
TCC.
view details. Okay, this is belongs to document splitting configuration. Okay,
Huh.
so we have so by default whenever you create any new company code, by default document splitting is active mode. Now for time being, what I will do, I will deactivate it. Okay, we'll learn this topic separately.
Okay.
So
Okay.
go back to the configuration. So
What is
here
this called?
document splitting.
Document splitting,
So
right?
under GL accounting, under business transactions, under document splitting. So what I will do, I will deactivate. Here it is mentioned activate document splitting. What I will do, I'll deactivate for time being. Okay. Now here you can see deactivation per company code. Why I'm deactivating? Because it will throw a number of errors. This is centralized used by all the company codes, sir. People, some
Okay.
other users also using the same option. There is no company code level here. Activation.
Okay.
Okay, company code activation is there, but by default they are changing the settings every time frequently. Okay, so on the same day I have to explain you. So company
Got
code
it.
is TCSI. Okay, press enter. So I want to put it as for time being it's inactive. So document splitting will not throw any errors.
Okay.
So continue. It's a definitely in interview they'll ask you what is the document splitting, madam. I'll
Hmm.
explain you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So coming back to the error screen. So we have so I'll go back to here. What is the error we faced?
Document splitting.
Documents. There is no item category. There is
Okay.
no item category assigned. Uh, document splitting related. Just deactivate for now. Okay.
Yep.
So yep. What is the sixth error?
We have to go and check it.
Click on post again.
Yep.
Now the document splitting error has been gone away. The document splitting also
Correct
gone
the
away.
customizing setting for
Correct
ledger
the
for the
customizing settings for ledgers for the universal journal. Why we are getting this error, this message? Click on view
customizing
details.
setting for the
Click
ledger.
on view details. So SAP gives this message, big message, message number. There are inconsistencies in the customizing settings for the ledgers for the universal journal. To prevent database mismatches, postings are not allowed as long as the customizing settings are not consistent. So check the customizing setting using transaction. If this message was displayed during a posting activity, yes, we are posting.
Hmm.
Use transaction to check the specific customizing settings for the relevant company codes and ledgers. So that's what I'm saying. Your ledgers, currencies, company code, all these are very sensitive. So you have to create carefully during implementation phase. Okay. So click on this one. Fins cust this click here itself. I think when you click on here, one more screen will get opened in the background. See, it's already opened here. Okay. Now, so come back to this screen. All are showing in green mode here, but when you scroll down, see here.
Hmm.
Sir, are we using these ledgers J2, JR, KH, LA, MH,
No,
PH?
no,
No,
zero
no,
L we are
no.
using it, right?
Not
Zero.
using this.
Zero
So,
L.
someone has assigned underlying ledger as R4, right? So I mean for R4 they have created sub extension ledger and assigned to the zero ledger sub
Okay.
ledger, so underlying ledger. So we have to delete our company code from these extension ledgers. So go back to the configuration.
Okay.
We'll resolve one by one, okay? But this is I think this will take a lot of time. So go back to the configuration. I can use the same transaction. So here itself. So here no, it's if I throw here, okay, let it be. We'll go to the path. So what is the path?
Ledger
Global.
account.
No, madam. Global settings, ledgers. Okay,
Okay, okay.
it will take time for you, madam. Okay, ledger under this define settings for ledgers and currency types. Now, what it is saying is, first of all, you should understand these are not our relevant subledge. I
Hmm.
mean, what do you say, ledgers, not our relevant company called ledgers, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we have to delete it. For
Why
deleting it,
this was like as it is
why
like
the
missing by so many
ha,
members, it was assigned, right?
because the reason is zero is across. This is a primary ledger,
Across the.
and
Uh,
they are creating these ledger. The other users are creating these as extension ledger, and
Okay.
with respect to the
on
under.
GL underlying ledger.
Zero
Yes,
L.
that's the reason. So wherever you see 0L, definitely our company code will be there. So what I'll do, I think in the morning I've deleted till few, sir. Okay, till J I've
Got
created,
it.
deleted it. Now this will
So if
take.
we deleted, they won't get it right in their company codes. But
Sir, I'm see what I'm doing here. Go to the JR company code settings. I'm deleting my company code. I'm not deleting their company code. Okay, I'm
okay.
deleting my company code. It is our company code, right? They are like none of their business touching our company code.
But irrespective of that, they have created in zero L, so it is appearing in our company code. That's it. Got it.
Yes. Since we are using this one also, right? That's the reason.
Yes, yes, got it. It is in a central level.
Yep.
When that is the case, every time we all are
Yes.
creating, it is
Ha.
impacting us.
One. Do you think in real time you will have 136?
No, no, no. Of course, it will not be.
Sir, I
Obviously,
will
it
tell
is
you, sir.
one what we are doing it.
In my previous client, I've used only three. One is leading ledger 0L, one is local, one is tax. Three accounting principles. That's it. That's it. I'm talking about my last previous implementation. One is for
Okay.
tax accounting principle, one is local accounting principle, one is for group accounting principle. Three accounting principles, three ledgers. That's it. Okay, and I'll go to the position. I'll go to the uh, this will take lot of time now.
Oh God.
Morning I spent something around 45 minutes. TCSI Select your company code. I am deleting my company codes. I'm not touching any other company code because I'm not using this ledger at all. Our focus is only on two ledgers only. Our focus is on only two ledgers. First, design yourself what you want to define. So we our focus is only this one. So I've deleted it. Come back again. So from JR I've deleted. Madam, getting what I'm doing here?
Yes, sir. Deleting the other
Hmm. Hmm.
entries
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
from our company code. Like just from
Correct.
our company code.
So any company code using 0L, so that will get added here.
Hmm.
So JR has been deleted. What is the next one? KH. Come back to the KH. So that's the reason I'm getting lots of errors here, sir. Lot of errors. So I have to resolve all these errors or not?
You have
Two.
maybe if we're not using that, for example, just my
Hmm.
thought,
Hmm. Hmm.
leave it is as it is, and if you are using only 0L for posting, will not auto allow? There is something I'm
Um,
missing or what?
no, sir, but that is linked as an underlying ledger, right? For other extension
Underline
ledgers.
ledgers, but
That's the main thing.
okay, oh 0L, okay.
It is linked with the 0L extension ledgers. That's the problem.
So when we are posting it, it is not allow us to post because it is linked with another company code.
Yes, yes. See, it is throwing this error now. What does this error mean? This
Okay.
this extension ledger has a different posting variant. Okay. First
Oh,
of all, I'm
okay,
not
okay.
using this one, and also it is expecting currency conversion type for other relevant extension ledgers. So many
So
errors I'm facing.
can we delete it as a bulk by selecting all of them?
Sir, if you know that option, please tell me, sir.
No, 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 no.
I will be the first person to use it. Now get
So we can
once
do
you get
one
access.
thing.
Ha,
I
sir.
can help you on it. So here we have an option called scripting
No,
in
sir.
the above.
No, no option.
No.
No scripting.
Okay. If it is a
I
scripting option is
can
there, if
I
we create it
can do
and
it.
run that script.
I can do it by using
Hmm,
table, but that is not. I mean
hmm,
that is not recommended because what happens
hmm.
that may impact other company codes entries also. Other
Okay,
people
okay.
cannot cannot work.
Got it, got it. Because I
I'm
worked as an like,
changing the code itself.
automation team.
Uh,
I worked with an automation team where I created a script. By using the
hmm,
script, by
hmm,
a single
hmm,
click, it will go directly
hmm,
selecting that option.
hmm,
It will like if it is a repeated work in
hmm.
SAP.
Just like recorded.
Exactly like a macro.
Understood. In SF, in for uploading master data, we use
Uh,
LSNW, which records the
Okay,
transaction.
okay. Here for S4 HANA we have an option, right? In a help, I think so. Or help or system, we
Yeah,
have an
you
option
can
to script it.
help. Don't know, sir, what you're saying, but we don't
Scripting
scripting.
option.
No, no, no. There
We
is no
don't have it.
script. No, you can search it in the Gemini. Meanwhile,
Okay.
for
No, in the
version.
top only we can check it in the server.
This one, sir. This one you're talking about. This is
That
only help
there.
is documentation. What is this
Or
transaction used
system.
for? This
No, no,
this.
no.
Hmm.
System. Go to system,
Okay, wait.
please.
TCSI. So okay, here you are saying system, right? The system should. This is normal
Wait,
options,
wait, wait,
sir.
wait. Is that profound? Server quick. Okay. Okay, fine, fine.
No, sir, we don't have that option.
Got it.
No script option here. So what I'll do, I'll just pause this. Okay, this will take a lot.